Guys, welcome to my study channel Study Special with Cases. Today's concept is a relation between refractive index, apparent depth and real depth. Okay? If object is denser medium and observer is in rarer medium. Listen. There is a object is A. How can I see this object A? When a ray reflected from this object A and fall on my eye, then I can see this object A. There is a object O, let it is a coin. It is a coin. And this ray is reflected from this coin in different way. Okay, in different way. Not this particular this way, not this particular this way. Okay. If a observer is here, it is full of water and it is air, and it is water and it is air. It is denser medium, it is rarer medium. A ray is go normally, so there is no refraction. The observer see this coin in actual position. Okay. If observer is this point, the ray is going, and here is the medium change. If there is medium change and it is move obliquely, so it go for refraction. It is the normal for this surface, and it's higher medium, it is lower medium. When it is from higher medium to lower medium, it what? Away from the normal. So the ray is away from the normal, and angle R, it go through the what? Eye of the observer. And the observer observe this ray and find this coin is here. What? Find this coin is here at the point of what? At the point of eye. Okay. Actual object is here, but the observer observe the object is here. That means it is the image and it is the object. Understand? Listen, I also again describe. It is the object, it is the reflected ray from the object, and it go for medium change and go for refraction, and it bend away the normal and go to the observer's eye, and the observer is observe the image in straight line. So if I increasing the straight line, the image is formed here. Then what is the apparent depth? Apparent depth is AI. Then I am going to find what is the relation between this apparent depth and this real depth with the refractive index. Okay? Listen. The light is traveling from water to air medium. So mu of water to air equal to sin I by sin I. Understand? Listen. This is the normal N and this. Okay? And it is the perpendicular line AO or BO. What? BO. BO parallel to N and this. Okay? BO parallel to N and this. And OC is the intersect ray. OC is intersect ray. Okay? Are you imagine? Listen. I turn this page. Okay? BO is parallel, N and this is parallel. OC is intersect line. In a parallel line there is intersect, then what? What is the angle? This angle is equal to this angle. Okay? Understand? Then it is the parallel line to parallel line, and OC is intersect. So this angle if I, then I can say that this angle also I. Okay? Understand? Then this angle is I. In triangle AOC, in triangle what? AOC, it is 90 degree. and it is angle I. If I take sin I means sin theta means, what is the sin theta? Front line, front side by hypotenuse. Its front side is what? SC by OC. Okay. Then another triangle IAC. Another triangle what? IAC. Okay. Listen. IOC. If again I take, it is parallel line. Okay. It is parallel line. OB and N dash is parallel line. BO parallel to NN dash, and RC is intersect. Similarly way, I can take that if it is R, then it is also a R. Okay. Then if I take sin R, according to sin theta what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Front side by hypotenuse. Front side is what? SC by IC. It is the hypotenuse IC. Okay. Then according to refractive index water to air, I can put sin I by sin R, that equal to SC by OC by SC by IC. SC cancel, then IC by OC. Okay. Then go for another concept. If this C is near to this, listen. It is A and this is C and it is another O or R. Okay. O and or R. If I put this C to this, then how can you image this? This is a point D. Okay. Then A, D, and this is C. If I close or something, this is A, this is C, and this is D. I can say a D equal to SC. When I can say D equal to SC, if A point and C point are take some closure. Okay. If I take C close to the A, very close to the A, then I can say AI equal to IC. AI equal to IC, and AO equal to OC. Listen, if I take this C to very close, then I can say AO equal to OC and AI equal to IC. Okay. Then I put in term of IC with AI, in term of OC with AO, then mu omega to A equal to AI by AO. Then what is AI? What is AI? AI is what? Apparent depth. AI is what? Apparent depth. What is AO? AO is real depth. Listen, refractive index water to air. Okay, but for absolute, how do we take the refractive index from air medium? So I inverted. If this is inverted, then it is also inverted. If refractive index water to air is AI by AO, then refractive index of air to water what? AO by AI, and AO equal to real depth, AI equal to apparent depth. That means if light travel from a rarer medium to denser medium, it is real depth by apparent depth. And what is the real depth? Real depth is object distance, the position of object. And what is the apparent depth? Apparent depth is what? Position of the image. That means image distance. So when light travel from rarer to denser medium, it may be greater than 1. It may be less than 1. Okay, listen. Mu of rarer to denser is equal to what? Real depth by apparent depth. This I take this as mu only. If mu and rarer 1 and denser 2, then I can place 1 to 2. If I want this is more than 1, what can we have to do? I have to do more real depth. Then real depth is greater than apparent depth. Okay. If I want 1 to 2 is less than 1, what is I have to do? Apparent depth is more. Real depth is less than apparent depth. So it is two cases. One is real depth is greater than apparent depth. One is real depth is less than apparent depth. When real depth is greater than apparent depth? When? If object is what? Object is up. Sorry. When real depth is apparent depth? When a stone in beaker. Another case, a fish in any water. But when real depth is less than apparent depth, star in sky, aeroplane in sky. Okay, then if I compare this concept, what is my conclusion? Listen, here object is in denser, observer in rarer. But here object is what? In rarer, observer is in denser. Understand? You can ask how is object is rarer? It is the main and it is the star. The star is so high from the main. Due to so high from the main, and it is the space and it is the air. It has more density. So it is more density and it is less density. So it is denser. So it is rarer. Understand? When object is denser, observer is rarer, there mu is greater than 1. That is, real depth is greater than apparent depth. When object in rarer, observer in denser, that is, mu is less than 1 and real depth is less than apparent depth. Okay, and what is the example? A stone is big in beaker, a fish in water, or a stick. A stick look bent due to present in water. Another example, the surface of swimming pool. The surface of swimming pool look rising. Okay, the surface of swimming pool looking, this is rising up some distance. Okay, this is the all example of real depth is greater than apparent depth, and it is the all example of real depth small of apparent depth. Okay, listen all about it. If a bird focusing on fish, which concept is there? Bird is rarer, fish is denser. Which concept is there? This concept. That means real depth is greater than apparent depth. Okay. Here is the example of question. A rectangular glass block of refractive index is 1.5. Is kept above a postage stamp. Okay. Listen. this is a some letter, this is a some point, and I can place a glass slab. Such this is a glass slab, and I place such as a glass slab. It look like this point is some of rising. The image of the stamp is observed by rising 7 millimeter. What? This rising is 7 millimeter. Listen, same concept is here. This is the coin, and this is the pool of water. A observer sees that there is a image and it is rising up. What? This is more. Here is the beaker, here is the object. Same as is, this concept is similar to this. Okay. Then this is the water. A observer sees that this image is this. The image of the stamp is observed to be raised by 7 millimeter. This is the 7 millimeter. Okay. Listen. This 7, always all are thinking that 7 millimeter is what? Apparent depth. No, it is not apparent depth. Apparent depth is this. This is the apparent depth, not this. And real depth is this. If I take real depth is t and this is 7, what is the apparent depth? Apparent depth is t minus 7. Then refractive index is equal to what? Real by apparent, t by t minus 7. Then multiply t minus 7 into 1.5 equal to t. That equal to 1.5 t minus 105, that equal to t. 1.5 t minus t equal to 105. Then 0.5 t equal to 105. T equal to 1005 by 0.5, that equal to 21 millimeter. Understand? Okay, all concept is clear. Then if you like this section, then share, subscribe my channel study special with Cassius.